Hi, I'm Chip, and today I'm going to show you how to change the wear pads on a Whirlpool style washing machine. A customer of mine bought herself a new machine and called me and asked me if I wanted the old one, so I went over there and got it. And when I was testing it out on the wash rack, I found that it vibrated crazily, and indeed it was walking across her utility room floor because it vibrated so much during the spin cycle. And the reason it was doing this is because the wear pads between the skate plate and the main frame had worn completely out. One was gone. It was metal to metal contact. The other was paper thin, it had worn so thin. And the one on the back was still a pretty good pad, but it had broken because of all the vibration. I'll show you how I changed them. There are easier methods changing these. I would suggest using a block between the skate plate and the main frame to get enough room to do it. I was kind of lazy that day and didn't do this. I did it the old-fashioned hard method. But it worked, and you'll see how I did it in this video. So let's get to it. What we got here is a machine that's kind of out of balance. Jumps around a lot when it spins. See how that tub is moving? What happens is the wear pads are bad on it. Right up under there. I don't think they have any. If those clothes were wet, they would. There's just too much movement. So we're going to have to change the wear pads on that one. Okay, these are what we're going to change right here. These three nylon pads. They don't look like much, but they are a big asset to the suspension of this machine. So first we need to get the others off of there. Well, you can see the metal to metal right there. You can see that, or it's been slipping. There should be a wear pad there. It's missing. There is one. There's one on the back, and there's half of one right there. So we need to remove those and put new ones in. I think that's even in there. There's nothing there. So we take the new one and it's going to fit between the swash plate and the pedestal. You have to slide it up in there, and there's two holes that it fits into. It's a tight fit. Got one. Got the other. Boy, that's worn so much that they're not even snapping in place. I think it'll hold. See the rust from the metal on metal contact. This one doesn't even have one on it. It's not easy to place these. And those are one out too where they won't snap in place. We'll just hope they hold. Alright. The bottom side. Well, I got this bottom one out and it doesn't look too bad, but it's broken. We're going to put the new one in anyway. One side. It's popped right into place. Very good. So you look at those two right there, those two right there, and those two right there. We've got them in place. So that's how we change them. Now we're going to test it. Worked fine.